Now we are going to learn how map this closure and GOTO into the LALR0 parsing table. So first make the LALR0 parsing table. So how many states we have? We have 11 states total. So we will start from 0. Before that we will write here action, because how many terminals we have? We have A, D, B, C, and variables how many we have? S, A, and B. So like that we will make action, and in action what we will write? We will write A, B, C, D, and dollar for acceptance. And in go to, how many variables we have? We have S, A, and B. And here how many states we have? 11. So from start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So in that way we will make a table. So now table is completed. Now we are going to start to map. So we can see from I0 state for A terminal where we are moving I3. So we will write here S3. And from I0 state for D where we are moving at I2. So we will write here S2. And from I0 state for S where it is completing where we are moving I1. So we will write here 1. And it is accepting state because we are completing our grammar, because it start from S. So at 1 we will write here accept at dollar. Fine. And after that we will see from I2 where it is heading. It is heading for A terminal. For A variable it is heading I4. So we will write here at 2. We will write 2A at, we write here 4. And from I2 for B where it is heading I5. So for B we will write here S5. And for C I6. So we will write here S6. And for third state from I3 for C it is going to I9. So we will write here S9. For B I8. So we will write here S8. And for terminal B I7. So we will write here 7. Sorry, variable. Now for I4 till 3 is there. I4 1 is completed. One production is completed, we can see here. So we will write here R1 because first production. So we will write here R1 because it's completed. So reduction 1 R1 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 and R1. Now for fifth, where is fifth state? I5. I5 from I5 for A variable it is going towards at I10. So we will write at A 10. And for B it is moving at I5 only. So we will write here S5. And for C I6 we will write here S6. And from sixth I6 I6 AC. So it is completing the fourth one production. It means reduction. So we will write here R4 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 R4. Now come to the seventh state. Which production is completed? Second production is completed, as we have written here 2. So second production is completed. So at I7. So we will write R2 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 R2. And from 8th for B variable where it is heading I11, so we will write at 8th, B at 11. We will write here 11. And for this is for variable, this is for terminal B where it is heading I8, so we will write here S8 at B. We will write here S8. And for C, I9, I9. So for C, we will write here I9. Now reach to the 9 state. 9 state, which production is completed? 6 production is completed. This one, so we will write here R6. R6, 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 and sorry, not here. Yeah, up to $. Now at 10th state, here is 10th state. This one 10th state. Which production is completed? Third production is completed, so we will write simply R3, 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 because this is reduction. R3, 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 and R3. And now at 11, which production is completed? Fifth production is completed. This one, BV. So we will write here R5, 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 and R5. So in that way we can simply see, with the help of closure and GOTO function, we can map a table, LALR parsing table, we can map.